Hello, this is Angela Lightfoot, Spiritual and Mental Health Wellness Coach with Rita Ricks. I want to thank you for taking the time out of your day to listen to this guided meditation. The holiday season can be a wonderful time for family, friends, and many traditions. But if we are not careful and mindful, it can also cause us to feel burdened, stressed, and overwhelmed. So I invite you to join me in this guided meditation as we blow away a little stress by doing some deep breathing and imagery work. Please do not listen to this guided meditation while operating a vehicle. It is best to do this exercise while sitting in a chair or lying in bed. Please follow the sound of my voice. Take a moment to find a comfortable position. Ensure that if you're sitting in a chair, that your ankles are uncrossed and that your arms are gently by your side or sitting in your lap. If you're lying down, please choose to lie on your back with your feet hip-width apart and your arms gently on your side, or with one hand gently above the other resting on your stomach. Close your eyes. As you do this breathing, please listen to your body and do what is most comfortable. Take 3 deep breaths with gentle holds in between each inhale and exhale. Take a deep breath in, hold, and take a deep breath out, and hold. Take a deep breath in, and hold. Take a deep breath out, and hold. Now with this next one, take it a little bit deeper. Take a deep breath in and hold. Take a deep breath out and hold. Now we're going to tense every muscle in your body, including your eyes. When we breathe, we are going to relax all of our muscles. Are you ready? Let's go. Take a deep breath in and tense all of your muscles. Hold it. A moment more. Now slowly breathe out and gently relax your muscles and body. Let's do that one more time. Take a deep breath in and tense all the muscles in your body. Hold it tight. Hold it tight. One more moment. Now take a deep breath out and relax your body and muscles. Now join me on this little journey. Imagine you are in the shore of a beach. The weather is warm and you can feel the sun just gently kissing your face. You can hear the waves crashing against the shoreline gently in the background. You feel safe and at ease at this shore. Take a deep breath in and hold. Take a deep breath out and hold. Take a deep breath in. Smell that clean air and hold. And let it out. And hold. Now with this next breath, take it a little bit deeper so your body's able to relax a little bit more. Take a deep breath in. And hold. And let it out. As you stand along the shore, you gently direct your gaze towards the skies in heaven. You notice large, fluffy clouds in the sky. Some are big and fluffy, looking like cotton candy. Others are smaller and nearly translucent, floating low in this great blue sky. I want you to think of all these clouds as the challenges, tasks, assignments, road trips, late night cooking sessions, extensive time with family and friends, grief of missing loved ones, and other events in your life that are going to occur in the next few months. I want you to imagine that you can assign each one of those challenges to the clouds above. Imagine you can just throw your worries into the clouds. Don't worry, even the lighter and smaller clouds can carry the troubles away. Take a deep breath in and hold and let it out. And hold. Take a deep breath in and hold. And deep breath out and hold. Now this next one, I want you to take just a little bit deeper and allow your body to relax even more. Take a deep breath in and hold and breathe it out. Once you've sent your worries to the cloud, I want you to take these next few breaths and I want you to blow these clouds away as far as you can, all the way past the sight of the horizon. I want you to fill your lungs deeply with this sweet ocean air around you. When you blow the clouds, imagine that you are strong enough to blow these clouds all the way so that you can no longer see them. Now let's do this together. Take a deep breath in and hold it. And with all your might, blow those clouds away. And hold. Let's do that again. Take a deep, deep breath in, filling your lungs, and hold it. And blow it out, pushing those clouds a little bit farther away. Now with this next one, we're going to make sure that all those little stubborn clouds that just want to linger are fully without of sight. So take a deep breath in, little bit deeper, little bit deeper. Now hold it. Remember, this breath's got to blow it away. Now let it out. And blow those clouds out of sight. Now as you look above, you can only see a bright blue sky above you and a beautiful reflection of the blue ocean water in front of you. Recognize how relaxed your body feels at this moment. Do you feel more relaxed? Does your body feel at ease? Remember this feeling as you go about this holiday season and any season when you're feeling overwhelmed. Remember that you can only do one thing at a time. Some things will have to wait, and not everything needs to be done. Be open to letting things flow and achieving only what you can. Take a moment to scan your body. Slowly start to move your fingers and toes. Then start to sway your arms and tighten and release the muscles in your legs. Gently rock your head from side to side. Now for this last time, let's take these final deep breaths to just awaken the body. Take a deep breath in and hold and let it out and hold. Take a deep breath in and hold and let it out and hold. And here's our last one. Take a deep breath in and hold and let it out and hold. Now when you're ready, gently open your eyes and enjoy the remainder of your day. Amen.